The center high mount brake light, or third brake light, is a critical piece of a vehicle's safety equipment. A burned out bulb is the most common failure on a third brake light, but moisture can also creep in when seals deteriorate or cracks develop, causing corrosion that can't be easily fixed. The only solution is to replace the third brake assembly, but that doesn't mean you have to go back to the dealership for a new lamp assembly. Dorman has the most extensive line of third brake light assemblies in the aftermarket. Many of Dorman's third brake lights use LED bulbs for greater longevity. Even on vehicles that originally used standard incandescent bulbs, failure-prone seals are also upgraded to prevent future damage from water. Each vehicle-specific design is a perfect match for the original equipment lamp and features a plug-and-play wiring connection, so you know it'll fit right and look perfect. Whether mounted inside the vehicle or on the exterior, most third brake light assemblies can be installed in less than an hour with simple hand tools. It's a quick repair that can avoid an accident, a ticket, or a failed inspection. When you need an affordable third brake light replacement you can trust, don't rush back to the dealer. Check Dorman first.